In this video, we are going to learn about new technique to quickly work through your templates, and that is / magic search tool, which will save you a lot of time in creating your designs. You don't have to switch between the sections to find your photos, elements, or text. You can simply type / on your design and you will quickly get all of these at one place. So to demonstrate this, I'll just scroll down and where it says you might want to try, you will just scroll it a little bit and let's use Instagram post for now. Now I'll choose any template, for example, birthday. I have different templates right here. You can choose any of these templates. Some of them are in the paid version and some of them are free. So what we can do is just scroll up, whatever you feel like. Let's insert this one because this one is quite basic. So we will add some customizations to it as well. So let's say we have inserted this one. Let me just zoom it a little bit. Now, for example, this template is quite nice, but you feel that this balloons, you don't want that. You want some other type of balloons. So to find that, you might want to search elements or some other areas, but you can quickly do that by just typing the / on your design, and you will get the option to choose or insert a text, a line, arrow, circle, different shapes, different charts, and logos, videos, photos. All of the options are at one place. So you will simply write, let's say, balloons here and hit enter. You will get a lot of templates from here. For example, if I choose this one, I'll just resize it like this, and then you will start moving around, and you will notice that many of the times whenever you go in any corner, it frequently suggests you to set this shape as a background. You don't want that suggestion every time. So if you don't want that, you will just hold Control key and then start moving around. So you will notice that now you are not getting that option. Similarly, if I want to place it here as well, you will just make a copy. How? Just select that image, press and hold the alternate key, and then make a copy of it like this. Hold the Control key so it doesn't suggest the background, and set it anywhere you want. Now it is dependent on your designing sense what you design out of that tools, but this is the option that you can quickly use as a quick search. Similarly, if I want to, let's say if I want to change the background, right? So I'll, instead of going to more and photos and finding that from there, I'll just be in my own design and then hit the / and here is my all tools at one place. Let's write birthday here. So you will see that it will suggest all the shapes and the images all at one place. So whatever you want to select, most of them right now are elements. Let's say if I want to search only images. So what you can do is write birthday and select photos from there here. Now let's see if I want to change the background. I want this background to appear here. So now this one is paid template, right? Birthday again. Now the free templates, you will usually find it on the top. All of these that is marked as crown are in the pro version. So let's select this one and let's set this one as my background. Now you can match your designs with what you have chosen. So you can resize this, place it anywhere you want, like this. And let's change this. Okay, so this is my custom design. Now, for example, if I quickly want to add a background because I think that this happy birthday should appear in a box. So I can quickly insert that rectangular box by hitting the / again and write rectangle. RE would be enough. So rectangle is here, and you can set that and resize that. And then as you can see that birthday is not appearing, you can right click and click on bring forward. I think the color scheme is different. Yeah. So now you can set that here. So basically these are the tools that you can quickly use for your customization. Although The designing sense will still be dependent on you, but these are tools that are helpful to quickly create your designs.